class is subsurface dikes. It is constructed below the earth. It is called subsurface. So subsurface barriers or dikes. It might be called as dikes naturally. Subsurface dikes are generally constructed for large projects, not for individual house. But the rooftop rainwater harvesting system is used for an individual roof. Sir, if I am constructing a dike, in the sense it is not used for that purpose, that person. It will be used for a community. Community means it might be for a village. This is a village project. Now, how many people will be getting benefited? More than thousands of people might get benefited. Due to one technology, more than thousands of people are getting benefited. That is called subsurface dikes. Now, where it is being built, you can see here there is a river flowing. Wherever there is a river, you can start constructing the subsurface dikes. Sir, for constructing a dike, you need a river flow. Now, where you can construct is construct across a river. Imagine you have a river here. The river is flowing here. You can construct dike across from the river. Sir, now where you can install rooftop rainwater harvesting system, in all the buildings you can construct a rooftop. Sir, where you can construct a dike requires a river. These are the two difference between dikes. Now, it has to build across a narrow sandy river beds and it can store water to groundwater flow. Sir, what does it do? Sir, if I provide any obstruction, imagine you have a water flowing. When water flows, you stop that water, what will happen? The water will slowly rise, isn't it? Yes or no? So that kind of rise will come when you are constructing a dike. Dikes are not constructed above the surface, it is constructed below the surface. Sir, in my house, I don't have groundwater. The groundwater is below 800 feet, 900 feet. Sir, how can I raise this? This is one of the technique. If you construct a structure below the ground, it will raise the water. Soon 800 feet of water will become 400 feet. You can get water quickly. This is one of the application of subsurface dike. You see here, this is a small barrier which is constructed here. Now, in the further images, you can understand it better. Sir, what is the difference between a dam? Sir, what is dam? A dam is constructed above the surface. You see here, there is a flow of water. It is constructed above, is called a dam. I have told that dam and reservoir. Reservoir is what? Where there is storage of water is called reservoir and the dam is constructed. Now, sir, what is a dike? Today's class is a dike. So, dike is a submerged structure which is basically built to increase the groundwater level. Can you see here? There is a reservoir here or water flow here. It is constructed across with this. This structure is called a dike. Now, sir, what is the purpose of that? The purpose is to reduce evaporation. Sir, if you construct a dam, will it evaporate? It will evaporate. Sir, if you are constructing a barrier like this, it will not evaporate. Sir, this is a construction process. Sir, I cannot understand the dike in the sense where it will be constructed, wherever you have river. Can you see here? Do you have this kind of a place? Nearby when you are going, have you seen this kind of a place when you are going nearby Mysore? Have you seen this kind of place? If you find there, you can construct a dike. Where you can construct? Across this. This is a river flow, no? River is flowing this side. You can construct across this called a dike structure. These are the key aspects. What it will help is, it will help to flow the water below the ground where you can construct across the river. Next thing is, can you see here? They are digging the sand by using a JCB. After excavation, what they will put is sheets are there. They will called as waffle sheets or Z sheets are there. Construction is they will construct a trench below the bed of the rock. Till the bed of the rock it will be drive. Sir, how much feet? It depends on the geology of the place. And sir, in certain place there is no infiltration capacity for the groundwater. In those areas you can construct this. River beds, masonry walls or clays is being constructed. Location is used generally for the valleys. These are the sheets. Can you see? Z piles they say. It will be like this. In any factories, you will see this kind of roof, no? The top of the roof will be like this. So these sheets are being driven inside. You can see this. They will be placing with this, and by large number of cranes will be there, and there is an impact hammer will be there. By this hammer they will drop. These sheets will be dropped. This is slowly I am discussing the construction progress. Can you see a hammer here? This hammer will drive. All the things will be driven here, and next process you can see small Z piles they will drive throughout the length. Slowly one by one they will drive. I have told you, sir, for constructing a dam, how much year it will take? It will take 5 years to 10 years. But for constructing a Z pile like this and this cross section like this, it not takes more than months. Within a month you can construct. Whatever work is being done by the dam, the same work it will be doing. Sir, you will be hearing that, sir, there is a construction of dam. Due to that there is dispute between states. If they construct dam, then the water will be stored. There will be disputes. No need of costly procedure. 5 to 10 years are not required. Evaporation will not take place. Immediately you can store the water below the ground. The technology is not storing the water above the ground. Dike technology is what? Storing below the ground. And you can drive this kind of walls. After the completion process, it look like this. Can you see here? All the lines are being laid, and you can see at the top they will be concreting. After concrete, what will happen? They will close like this. Can you see a polythene sheet there? There is a polythene sheet above. Above that they will close, and what will happen? There will be no water shortage will be there. There are case studies. In 3 states I have done the case studies. What are these? One from Andhra Pradesh, where they have constructed dikes. Tamil Nadu, where they have constructed. Karnataka, where they have constructed. 3 case studies I have taken. Now you see here advantages. Can you see the map here? This is a place of Kadapa, Andhra. This is a district of Kadapa. What they have done is, there is a large water flow here through the river. They have constructed dike here. Can you see this red color? Red color is called a dike. If they put that Z piles here, can you see here? There is red color map here. In these areas, there are agricultural people, there are people who are using for groundwater, etc. What happened? That groundwater level is increased. Don't think that groundwater is static. Groundwater is always flowing. Do you understand? Groundwater is not still. It is flowing in the direction of river. If you put a obstruction, that water will rise. You can take it for your consumption. This is what the project they have done in Kadapa. So you can see here a land which is being submerged 1 to 1.5 below the groundwater. Number of people have got benefited. How many number of bore wells? Nearly 113. In previous class I have told you, is Bangalore over exploiting the groundwater? Yes. How much percentage we are exploiting? 140% of water we are exploiting. Nature gives 100%, we are taking 140%. So there is 40% lack. We have number of rivers there. Do you know that in Bangalore we have groundwater board? There is no single dike available in Bangalore. This is for your awareness. We are looking for groundwater. It is going nearly 800 feet above. but there is no dikes are being constructed. Second thing, can you see in and around Bangalore, more number of solid waste are being thrown? Have you seen? Nearby a road, number of wastes are thrown to right and left hand side. It is not being taken care. Public work department, how much effectively they work, this depends on this. Since Bangalore consists of most of IT peoples, they don't know why we are suffering. IT people will spend lakhs and lakhs of money just for a simple reason. They want water, they will spend for 100 rupees for water. But 1 rupees is enough to take water. We will spend 100 rupees. There will be no water there. In electronic city, you see costliest structures. If you get a house, if you get a rental house, it is very costly in electronic city. But there will be no water there. Water scenario is very demanding there. We don't know the reason. The Bangaloreans always suffer due to this. Why? Because lack of awareness. Sir, groundwater is exploiting. What to do? We should know. Don't think that, sir, I am an ISC student. Why I should know? Since this is an open elective, you should know that what are the ways the government can support. You can support these things, you should know. Constructing a barrier or a dike will help you to increase the groundwater where there is no evaporation loss. Sir, for constructing dam there will be evaporation. Here you will be having no evaporation. This is a eco-friendly technology. No concreting, high costly concreting is required. This is a application in 3 states. I will discuss with you. What are these 3 states are doing? First thing is application of water management. This conserves the water. Coastal protection. Sir, nearby coastal areas, there are Udupi places are there. Uttar Karnataka, Udupi are there. What the disadvantage is, if you are not constructing a dike, if you take groundwater, it will be much salty. Have you observed? Those people who are nearby the coastal area, your groundwater will be salty. Sir, how to stop that? You can make a dike. That means a barrier. The ocean water will not infiltrate. The ocean water will also infiltrate, no? Ocean is a place where it is stored water. The water will infiltrate. So those who are nearby the ocean will be taking a salt water. If you construct a dike, the rainwater you can take directly. No need of taking salt water. This is the advantage. You can see coastal protections. Intrusion of seawater to freshwater will be stopped. This can be constructed in coastal areas. Now water security is there. You can trust the groundwater. Environmental impact is being taken. First state I have taken is Tamil Nadu. In Perambalur district, they have constructed a dike. Not only one dike, around 150 dikes are there, which has been constructed. This is constructed in 2003 and 2004. And what they have done, this is the project. Second project. What they have done is they have raised the water capacity from 25 liters per capita. What is 25 liters per capita is? I have told, sir, per person, how much water is required? 135 liters per day. One day a person requires 135 liters. Now in the district, before construction of dike, there was 25 per capita was there. After constructing the dike, that village got 45. The water per capita water is being increased due to the groundwater level. Now this is an example of Kadapa district. This is a river. Across the river they have constructed this. These are the places got benefited. Sir, how much they got benefited? 1,120 acres of land is getting benefited due to this. And where are the place? You can see, sir, where I can construct this kind of dike is, my place consists of granite. Granite is a hard rock, no? If you are living in a place, naturally the groundwater will not infiltrate. A granite rock will not allow to infiltrate. If you have a sand, if you pour water, will it infiltrate quickly? Yes, sand infiltrate quickly, no? So, if you have a granite place, it will not infiltrate. In those kind of area, you can construct this. In order to take the groundwater, this is a YSR district. and the subsurface dam they have constructed by using this, and the efficiency has increased in those area. Next thing, this is a state of Tamil Nadu, I have told. There they have built, and in 2003 they have built. What is the cost of that? Only 7.55 lakhs cost of construction. But to construct a dam, it needs 100 crores. A single dam needs 100 crores, but in 7.55 lakh, they have constructed dike, which consists of 3 meter of a structure, which is constructed along the length. And how much liter they have increased? 48 liters by 25. Now, next thing is, this is a statistics I have taken from Government of India and Government of Karnataka. This has been published in 2025. Sir, in our Bangalore, how much water we have? Do you know that how much well is available in Bangalore? Sir, where I can search? Can I search each and every place? No. You have Central Groundwater Control Board. If you Google it, you will be getting this. In Bangalore, how many wells are there? 628 dug wells. Dug well and bore well are both different. Bore well is a machine which is used, small pipe they will drill. Dug well is a large one which they will construct for nearby the house or nearby agricultural land they will construct. In Bangalore, 628 dug wells are there. How many bore wells are there, you know? 12,756 bore wells are there. Bore well means, in your house, do you have bore well? Do you have bore well in your house? You check, this is one among them. Totally in Bangalore, this much of bore wells are there, and all the statistics you can have in Bangalore. How much rainfall is there? Bangalore urban district, a glance. This is being published in website, and this is the current statistics. While there is no live central database for the dike as of 2026. In Bangalore, we don't even have a single dike. As of March 2026, the Central Groundwater Board, you can Google it and see. This is for your awareness.